it is recorded that in the beginning, Osebuluwa created heaven and the earth. And the earth had no shape. Darkness, void, water covered the whole earth until Chukwu Okike Abiyama separated the water from the earth. Separated the water from the earth using the firmament. And he blessed the earth, especially Ozubulu.
Our own Ozubulu.
Our own Ozubulu. We are the most blessed people on earth. Now, for us to live in peace, Osebuluwa, that supreme deity that stays in heaven, gave us a king and a pattern of ruling. It is about to begin. It's about to begin.
Grandpa, I'm confused. What's about to begin?
The end of the beginning is about to begin our new beginning of living.
What is it?
Where are you headed?
I want to go and see Her Majesty the Queen.
The Queen is in her chamber.
And who told you that? I went to her room, I didn't see her.
Well, the King and the cabinet members are having the meeting. You cannot perambulate to come to the palace.
Why? Oh, son, you don't know who am I? Dozionyo Bioma, of all people. So I shouldn't see the Queen. So, to see Moyo Bioma. Huh? Have you?
Everyone knows who you are, Chiedozie. But the thing is, an important meeting is going on in this palace, and you cannot perambulate around the palace.
That is what you have to say before. Not making me to look like I've committed a national crime. Excuse me.
I will not let you. Please go in to the chamber.
Your Majesty, we all know that tradition demands you relinquish the throne of your fathers for your successor in the next 6 months. What plans do you have to accomplish this tradition? I mean, your retirement, so that the gods can choose another king to succeed you, since you do not have a son.
My elders, you all can attest to the fact that I've been a good king, that I have served my people, that I have ruled this kingdom very well. You can also attest to the fact that I have never neglected the customs and tradition of our people. So, I don't know where the issues are coming from. And I pledge to also continue to be the good king that I have been. So what's the issue here?
Your Majesty, you are right. You have been a good king to our people. But this issue of retirement is a crucial one. And it needs urgent deliberation. That's what we are saying.
Very, very urgent. You need to tell us when you will vacate the throne so that Ezemo will do the necessary rituals
so another king may emerge. This is why.
Bon, Obu Kosede.
Exactly.
Exactly. Oh, it's Zoku.
That's the truth. I got no more nation more.
My elders, I inherited this throne from my father. As a matter of fact, from my fathers. And I am not about relinquishing it to any other family. Yes. I pledge to continue to uphold the customs and tradition of our people. But talking about relinquishing this throne, I have only one word, and that is never.
May we know why, Your Majesty? Because we cannot put our future, the future and well-being of this kingdom in jeopardy by making outrageous claim over the throne.
Your Majesty, we all know that you are a good man. Considering what you have done for our community, we all appreciate you.
Thank you.
We appreciate you. But you should let us know, what are your plans? Just tell us everything is fine. We are worried. Are we not?
We are worried.
King, may you live long, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
My elders agree.
No.
We all know that night must give day space to break. And I'm very much aware that all of us here have concerns and care about our community, Ozobolo. And we all should know that our king, Ezebube, is a one man in a million. We must give him that benefit of doubt. He knows the tradition and he knows the right thing to do at the right time. So we should not forget that fact. So let's wait for King Ezebube to finish what he has in mind.
Hence, you said so. Let us all calm down and watch the king and Onu do their things. Let us see how it goes.
Okay.
We pray it will work out well.
Good.
Thank you. I want to crave your indulgence, all of you, my elders, to be patient with me. And I want to promise you that I will never, ever fail you. Okay?
Onye malo, onye mi ife gemechi. Onye malo, onye makachi si kwado. Asimu onye malo, onye mi ife gemechi. Onye makachi si kwado.
Oh no. What is happening?
Oh no, what is happening? Oh no, what is happening?
Going on here?
Hey.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. My husband. What is going on? I mean, why would you walk out on your council of chiefs? without giving them a tangible answer.
Lolo, I want to be left alone.
You want to be left alone? I don't understand. We've always done everything together, so what exactly is going on?
Gladys, could you please do me the favor of letting me be this minute? They want me to relinquish the throne, and you know that is not going to happen.
Your Majesty, we've always known that someday this was bound to happen. Why are you being so obstinate?
I understand the tradition of our people perfectly well. But what is happening now is bigger than you think.
Bigger than I think. And what is that supposed to be?
Your Majesty, I've greeted you before.
Josie, you'll be fine.
That is what I've been asking myself. Dozie. This seems to be good. Or have I wronged my chi?
Josie, I don't have the time for you now. I'm trying to sort out things with the Council of Chiefs.
Onye malo, onye mi fe gemechi. Onye malo, onye makachi si kwado. Simu onye malo, onye mi fe gemechi. Onye makachi si kwado. You can plan all you know. Ife chikulunya geme. You can do all you could. Ife chikulunya geme. God is not a man. Tomorrow is deep. Even in a tunnel, Ife chikulunya geme lili. Ayama. Obodo diye. Things they happen. Ayama.
Everyone in Ozubulu knows that Ezebube has no child, either male or female. But he clicks onto power. Now, the elders in council, they are all suspicious. Doubtful. They don't even know what is going on. Not only the elders, even his wife, Gladys, plus elders in council, plus the whole Ozubulu community. Everybody is now living under suspicion and doubt. Why? What is going on?
You see, I am still wondering what King Ezebube is planning to do about this. We all know that he is a good man. Oh, he's a good man. But that wouldn't allow him to bequest and greed over power. He may offend the Oseblowa and the Amadioha of this land.
I wonder why his chi and ancestors we choose to punish him by not giving him a child, despite his uprightness.
We are not here to judge. Only the gods know why. Because that is his fate. But he cannot use that to punish the entire kingdom. He cannot do that. For him to refuse to step down as the tradition demands, that means he wants to use his misfortune to punish the entire kingdom, and that is wrong. That is very wrong.
It's not danger.
Or does it mean that his refusal to step down is because he has a child somewhere that we do not know?
How?
Where? Does the king have a wife aside from Gladys?
No, I don't know.
That is the question I keep asking.
That will never be possible. Ezebube loves his wife Gladys so much. And that is why he has refused to marry a second wife.
Always joke. That is the reason.
That is it.
That is truth.
Ngewa, if you want to
Ah, what are you saying? I love my wife. What is good for the teeth is good for the tat.
Grandma.
What are we saying?
Oh, grandma. Oh, grandma. Oh, you go.
My love, you're crying. What is it? Why are you crying? Huh? Is there any problem? You know me. There is nothing in this world you will ask that I will not do for you. As a matter of fact, I can pull down mountains for you. So why are you crying? Talk to me. Oh, have I done anything to offend you?
Why has my Chi decided to forsake me? Am I such a bad omen in this kingdom that the gods have decided to blackmail you with me? I don't know what to do.
My love, stop talking like that. I've told you to stop worrying yourself, okay? All that matters is that I love you and you love me. Okay, let me reveal a secret that I've been holding all these years.
What is it?
Before I met you, my life was full of pains, sadness, loneliness. Okay? Until I met you. From there on, everything turned around.
Really?
Yes. Success, bounty, joy, happiness, everything came to me. And look, the happiness I have today is because of you.
But why can't they just give me one, just one child, just so that at least you will be just one.
My love, at this age, now tell me, how are you going to manage your protruding belly? Eh? Come on. Eh?
At least you would help me carry the child. If it's too heavy, you help to put your hand on them.
It's all right. Normally, a man will carry the child for the woman. You know that.
Oh.
Yeah? But you see, smile. When you smile, there is nothing that gives me joy more than seeing you smile. Okay?
But you know, it's barely 6 months before they would ask you to leave the throne. What are you going to do?
Come on. Leave that. The gods are wise. Let us leave the gods to do their thing. Okay? Trust me, everything will be fine. Sure. Alright? Very sure. Come here.
Who there here? What are you doing now? You're wasting time. Give me 5 wraps of her. 5 wraps of her. Give me. Aish. Nah, man, hurry up. Monica is very hungry, eh? What's you got else? Hey, Monica. Come on. Hey.
Monica, come back here. Monica, I said come back here, Monica. Biaba, come here.
Iche, what did I do today? Commanding me like a soldier man? Eh?
Didn't you see me? Eh? You are just passing me by.
Iche.
Eh? Is your burugi?
What did I do? Commanding like a military man? Eh? Ele hem meregi.
Isi, that's it. Anyonogi. For whom? That's it. You can't you greet me?
Hey, Monica. Money. You like this ensemble. We have seen something in this ensemble. So, Maka, I did not greet you. That is why you now turn to a soldier man to stop me on the road, to command me to greet you. Ekwa? I don't blame you. If not that I'm very, very hungry, I would have stopped properly to greet you. Properly.
I can see that's if you talk to me in that manner, the spirit of this land will strike you dead.
Hey!
And tear you go.
It's an again making
and tear you
making
this land tear you jaja. Nonsense.
Iche, what did you just say now? You see how people buy problems they did not pay for. Or tomorrow see a who going here again. Eh? You want problem, Abi? Eh?
I can see that spirit
Repeat
of
it again.
That evil spirit of that.
Stupid man. I'm not good. I'm not going my utmost strength. Stupid man. Look at you.
Hey! What I can wait here, mate? Eh? Wait here, more chain off. Just beat me front and back. Hey! Hey!
Papa.
What did you do today?
I did not do anything. Nothing. Look that I'm eating. Do you want to eat? Are you hungry? Should I make garri for you? Because this fufu will not do me. It's only meant for Monica. Should I make for your own?
You sure know what I am talking about, Monica.
I don't know, sir.
Why did you do what you did to Ndukwe?
Papa, since you're like the school rep that sees everything, even in your room, and you saw that I beat Mazin Ndukwe, you should also know why I beat him now.
Monica,
Papa.
learn to restrain yourself. Learn to control your anger. You are a woman. Ndukwe offended you. Yes. Mana, it's not for you to take revenge. Eh? You punched the man just like that? Eh? You should have left everything to God to judge.
Oh, Nyama, God. Papa, I am not one of Jesus' disciples in the Bible. Mbano. I take my revenge immediately. Noko noko. If anybody offends me, I take it immediately. The gods are too busy to help me, so I help myself. Tell him on. Since he wants to be a military man on my head, I'll be a military woman on his head. Tell him, warn him for me. Papa.
I think I have to call my brother to come down from the city to the village. Maybe when he comes, he will talk to you and make you realize that you are a woman.
Oh no. No problem.
I'll do that.
One man in the quail.
Enough is enough.
Okay.
You are a woman.
Oh no. Papa, do you want to eat? I made this soup. It's still fresh, oh. Papa. Papa, come now. Huh? Okay, bye-bye, home. How? I'm not going to. You can cook, oh.
Your Majesty, looking at your sad face make the day drew me without joy. Smile for your children, Your Majesty. Wow! Up NEPA! Just a smile you give. NEPA just brought the light in also.
Dozie, I know you're trying to make me laugh, but honestly, I am not in the mood for entertainment today.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
What is this? So walking like a woman is not enough for you again? This one you're here suckling and biting your fingers. Did Ochi make a mistake in making you a man?
You leave him alone. I think his boyfriend cheated on him with another lady. And he protected.
Why am I even listening to you guys? I don't even blame you. Neither blame my chief for creating me this way. You don't even know what it takes to grow up in the midst of girls. And I'm the only boy there. We are here talking trash. Why am I even here listening to you guys?
Bossman, welcome. Yeah. Bossman, this one way you never come back since, and your line they switched off.
My line was switched off.
Yes, now.
I guess my phone was switched off.
Hey, I talk am.
Have you had lunch?
No, nah, Baba, why go chop when I never see you? They say you na my helper.
Oh, that's good. I got 2 plates for both of us.
How?
Get it from the car.
Odogu, Bossman. Best way get you like. Odogu, your face show. Your shoe shine. My charmer. Best way go marry you, eh? You go use enjoyment finish her. How?
Stephanie.
Daddy, sorry.
You know smoking is not good for you. Huh?
Yes, but that is if you don't know how to take good care of your health.
Don't tell me that. No, please. Don't let us dive into that argument for now. By the way, have you finished preparing for your presentation for tomorrow?
Of course, Daddy. Everything is in place now.
Ah.
Yes.
Hope you know that our priority is to win the contract.
Certainly.
At whatsoever cost.
I know.
No?
But Daddy, you know I have never lost a contract before, so I don't intend starting now.
That's a very good one. That's a very good one.
Thank you, Daddy.
Huh?
Yeah.
So, the best. Okay?
I hope you're fine, Daddy.
I'm okay, except you're smoking.
I will stop.
Hmm?
I'll stop, I promise.
Is a promise?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, Daddy.
My baby.
Hi. Hi.
You smell good.
You smell good too.
Really?
Yes, really.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I must tell you, you're beautiful.
I must tell you, you're cute.
All right, gentlemen. Good you are here. So let's get to the business of the day. I have other clients to attend to. Mr. Chris, right?
Yeah,
Mr. Chris, okay. Let's hear. The king demands your presence in the palace. And let's go immediately. Don't waste my time.
Good thing we met you here because we are on our way to your place now.
Did you report me?
Oh, you know what you did? My friend, move. Move!
Let's go. Hey! You need to open our door here.
Hey! Hey! Open the work. Hey!
My friend,
You should know me by now. I don't go about looking for trouble. But it does not mean that when trouble presents itself, I will not go for it. Even our people say that when the tree does not know how to dance, it will be taught by the wind. That's the clear case of I and Ichendukwe.
Monica, you have no right to insult a titled man of Ozobolo.
Ichendukwe,
Your Majesty.
what Monica enumerated here, was that what actually happened?
Yes, Your Majesty. But she should have given me that respect. Huh? As a titled man of this our kingdom, Ozobro. Huh?
Ndukwe,
Your Majesty.
I think you are still behind time. Do you know the century we are in? 21st century. Civilization has taken over the whole universe. Things are not done the way we used to do them. The young ones deserve their own respect. Okay?
Your Majesty.
You see, as an elder, not just an elder, a cabinet chief, you are supposed to carry yourself in such a manner that you will garner respect from the young ones. All right? Be that as it may, Monica, you have no right whatsoever to assault a titled man of this kingdom. Consequently, I am sentencing you to 3 days community service in his house. Shut up! Who are you to interject when I am talking?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Like as I was saying, before you rudely interjected, you are sentenced to 3 days community service in his house. Now, Ichendukwe,
Your Majesty.
during this period, you are going to reflect on your actions. And there is a question I want you to ask yourself. If Monica were to be your daughter, would you have treated her like that?
Your Majesty, this girl showed me pepper. Eh? She beat me? Oh, Your Majesty.
Igwe, what is community service? Eh?
Community service means when you wake up in the morning, you will go to Ichendukwe's house, his compound, and sweep everywhere. In the event that he requires you to do some house chores inside the house.
In my bedroom.
Shut up, I'm talking. In the event that he wants you to do some house chores inside his house, you must oblige. Is that understood?
Yes. In my bedroom. Oh.
Will you keep quiet? You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Ichendukwe,
Your Majesty.
You are laughing. What were you looking at? You're not ashamed of yourself. How can you ask her to do something in your bedroom? Huh? I have asked you to reflect on what you did to her, and you are compounding it. How can you fall inside the pit and you are still digging instead of you to climb out?
Your Majesty, you see, someone that will come and do some community service. You see, everything is community. So we are community, yeah, everything there. You see.
You are very stupid. Now get out of my palace.
Get out, Majesty. Okay, Your Majesty.
Hi.
Your presentation was awesome in there. I mean, you were superb. You should keep the good work going.
Thank you. And you too, you were bad. You swept me off my feet. I must confess. You know, I didn't see that coming. It just came like a bomb.
And you were able to defend it.
Yeah.
Great.
I need to, for my father's company, you know.
Yeah, that. Can I get to see you some other time? I mean, get to meet her, dinner, lunch, whatever.
Okay. If you wish for it.
Alright. Yeah. That's my card. Be a gentle lady and take it from me.
Okay. And let me give you mine. Please.
Alright. I'll call you.
It's fine.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
The pleasure is all mine. Alright. Bye.
care.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this network?
Hi, this is Miss Stephanie Ibezim speaking.
Hey, hi. That's Chris.
Hi, Chris. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm beautiful. I hope your day was good.
Oh, yes. It was awesome. Especially meeting a smart and intelligent woman like you. It was a nice presentation you made today.
Oh, okay. Thank you. And you also did well. But you know, at some point, I thought I was going to lose it for you.
Oh, sure, you will lose to me. My company is in the best position for this project.
Don't sound so confident because I am fully prepared to win this contract to my father's company.
You know, I can cut you some slacks. There is space for merch. Huh? I can offer you that, but it will come with a little price.
A typical African man. Always interested in bribery, corruption, anything to just get involved. Alright, tell me, what's the price?
Just a chance to see your beautiful face again.
Are you asking me out for a date?
Lunch, actually. Choose a place, a restaurant, and I'll be there.
Okay. Swiss restaurant and bed.
Time, please.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. it is. To have a good night rest. Bye.
look like a swindler. What you do is swindle people of their hard-earned coinage. So you go your way. Very hard-earned coinage. Look like a thief. Young man, I know your face. Are you sure I'm on the right track? Who is home? Home right there.
What did I do?
What are you trying to do? Do you know how much it costs to procure this apparel? As speck and span as it is. Oh no, I know you won't.
Okay.
No, you don't.
Sorry.
Let me tell you, Monica, it costs orders of opulence. Oh, I know you won't understand that.
What did I do?
Monica, you asking me what you did? You've done the unspeakable. Oh, yes.
Okay.
You don't dare do that. By the way, where is my grandfather?
Papa?
Grandfather!
Papa? Yes. Magu is here.
Oh, I know, that's him right there. That's the youngest man ever living. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I see you looking very young as usual.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How is your father?
Well, my father is fine.
That's good.
And as you can see, I am fine too.
That's great.
And I can see you look good too.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yes.
Thank you. You're welcome.
A quick one.
What's it?
You see, I've got an honest, innocent question for you.
What is it?
Tell me, what have you been feeding her? Oh yeah, that is, she's looking oversized, big. I mean, like a baby elephant.
Huh? Huh? What do you talk?
It's not an elephant. Anyway, you are welcome home, eh? Take your stuff inside and make yourself comfortable. Eh?
Okay, that's
all
okay.
Right.
You know, we have a lot of catching up to do.
Oh yes, you have to tell me how your father is feeling.
Oh yes, you look good.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Take your things inside.
Grandpa.
Yes.
Lest I forget. This is for you.
Wow.
Yeah, catching up to do. And as for you, Monica, the next time you see a gentleman dressed in a very sparkling and clean apparel, you know what you do for yourself? You keep social distance.
Oh yes. Social distance.
I know you know that.
That's good.
You're right.
That's good. I won't do. Social distance. Yes. Shall we keep a social distance?
Very important.
Good. Very important.
I got you.
Okay.
I got you.
I will join you.
Enjoy your...
Thank you.
Papa, go.
Papa?
Right.
I go follow for that bread. Go inside and do what? Go inside and do what? I help him. Somebody that came back with a woman's bag. I should help him. Did he buy anything for me? See ya zemeze. He should be careful. I keep your easy. You know I hate insults. You know I hate insults. I hate insults.
Monica.
Your zemeze.
Monica,
You say, Meze.
Monica.
You borrowing can, Daddy.
No. Go and help him settle down.
Who knows if he's the man that bought it for him? He gets a man, Magnus. I can't move again on that.
Bread. He didn't bring shinap. For another man, he brought bread. These children. So where is our tradition? Oh, bread. Well, I appreciate your bread, but how do they think? Where lies our tradition? Bread and shinap, they don't tally. Anyway, they keep on learning. We have to teach them our tradition. It's all right. Welcome home. Welcome home, my
Sir.
Yes, what is it?
Sir, is the file requested for house actually?
And it's now that I'm stepping out that you thought it wise to find it.
Sorry, sir.
Take the file to Judith, she knows what to do with it. The last time I checked, I had to get everything ready. That's why I came back to the country to focus on my business.
Okay. Mine is that my father got tired of working so hard, so I had to come back to the country to take over the company.
Oh wow, that's cool. That's really cool. I'm glad I met you, actually.
So yeah.
Boss, what is it? Boss! Thank God he's still breathing. Boss! Somebody help! Boss! Somebody help! Boss! Boss!
Doctor, please start administering the right prescribed medication on him. I don't want anything to happen to him, please.
He's going to be fine. What happened to him is a result of stress.
Okay.
I think he needs to take time off work.
Okay.
He'll be fine.
It's all right. Hello? No problem. He's going to be fine. He's just it's as a result of stress. Yes, but the doctor says he's going to be fine. No. There won't be any need for that. It's okay. It's all right.
Alright. You call me when you wakes up, okay?
I will call you once he wakes up.
Alright. Okay, let me run and look. He'll be fine. Okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, God.
Damn. This is the second day we met. And he hasn't called. Should I call him to know if he's fine or is everything? I beg, no calling. He's the man, he should call me. I beg. I'm gonna freshen up. I'm so tired, man. If tiredness was a person, not me.
Where
is this girl? Monica?
And eat well.
Monica? My, oh my. Monica! What in God's name is going on here?
What has Monica done again?
Monica! Wait a minute. Is this how you have been feeding in this house?
How will we forget now? What has Monica done again now? What has Monica done again?
Everything!
Nah.
Wait, hold on. Is it that you're not seeing that this food is too big for you? Or is it that you're blind that you cannot see that this food will be enough for 3 of us in this house and still remain for the 4th person?
Again, you're using grammar on the food I'm eating. Grammar. Allow me to eat in peace. Go so happy, babu. Let me not choke with pepper.
Oh no! The pepper chokes you because you are already committing suicide. Listen, I think I know what to do. Hey!
Bring my food, though. Bring my food back, oh. I said you want to add an extra one. Better bring back my food, though. This one is about to finish, oh.
This is what you need to eat. This is your food, the normal food for you as a human being.
What is this?
It's your food.
What is this now? Something that can even feed a 3-year-old pikin. That's what you're giving me to eat. Oh,
Now, listen to me. After joking, by the time you're done wailing, if you're hungry, you will eat. Or do you think it is easy to make money? And don't you... Well, you don't even have the keys.
You're very wicked. You're a wicked man.
I got the keys. You cannot go in there.
Oh! Hey, thank you, God. Hey, God. Hey, Jesus. Go back to that place you're coming from. Wicked man. Eh? What's come and interrupt my food? Oh.
Your Majesty, you're highly welcome. Please come in, sir.
My friend.
You're welcome. Good to see you in my house.
Yes.
Please have your seat. Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
It's nice to receive you. How's your wife?
She's fine.
Oh, great, great. Wonderful woman.
Please excuse us. Thanks for welcoming.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Our people say a toad does not jump in the day for nothing.
That's true.
Okay. The girl is looking so pink. Outfit check. My hair. See my Versace completely. See my shoe, right? See my shoe. Everything is giving. It's giving. And my bag. My bag. You see there? Money. Okay. Oh, let me call. What's wrong? Why has he not bothered to call me? Is everything okay? It's the correct number. What's wrong? Who picked the call? Let me call. No. I won't dial again. He's calling. It's actually a correct number, right? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, okay. Who's this? Where's Chris?
Oh, my boss. The owner of the phone has been hospitalized for 2 days now in the hospital.
Hospitalized?
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Which hospital?
We are at Franklin's hospital. Are you coming, ma?
I'm coming. No. I am already on my way going to work right now. Maybe when I close from work, I will stop by.
Okay, ma.
Oh, okay. Will you be needing anything? Like, does he need anything?
No, ma. Thank you, ma.
Oh, okay. All right. Talk to you later. See you guys later.
Thank you.
What happened to him? Why?
Son, the recent visit of the Indiche, those elders, it has unsettled Ezekwe. And people are now looking at him now. What is wrong with our Igwe? What is wrong with our Eze? That's the problem. What is going on?
But Grandpa, if I may ask, why is the king, Ezekwe, why doesn't he want to step down? Why is he still holding the throne and the staff? Why?
Nobody knows. It is only Ezebube and his chief that knows the answer to that question. Nobody knows.
This is strange. The story is...
Onye malo, onye mi fe gemechi.
onye malo, onye makachisi kwado. Asimu onye malo, onye mife gemechi. Onye makachisi kwado. You can plan all you know. Ife chikulunya geme. You can do all you could. Ife chikulunya geme.
I didn't hear you come. Is someone looking for me?
No one is looking for you. What exactly is going on? I mean, I'm a bit worried about you. You don't eat your food for some time now. You've not been eating. You're so absent-minded. You're not concentrating. Tell me, is there a problem? You know, you can always share with me.
Not at all. I can assure you there's no problem. Okay? Nothing. I was just thinking of how to reach out to Nowo. Could you please get one of the guards to fetch him for me? I need to see him immediately.
That is not a problem. I would ask Dozie to go and call him. All right?
That'll be fine.
Just be good for me.
It's all right.
Take care of yourself.
It's okay. I'm fine.
All right?
All right.
Coming.
Okay.
God is not a man. Tomorrow is deep. Even in a tunnel, if a chipulunya gemelili. Ayama. Obodo diye. Things they happen.
Your Majesty, I've never seen your beautiful smile shining in the entire kingdom of Azuri. Exactly, Your Highness. Your smile is so contagious.
You never fail to put a smile on my face.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh, please. Can you go tell Onowu that the king would love to see him immediately?
I will, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness.
How is he doing?
As you can see, he's taking it now, and I'm patiently waiting for him.
Okay. His body temperature has returned to normal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need not to panic. He will be fine.
Okay, that's no problem.
All right.
Yeah.
Dad.
Yes, my son. You're awake.
You're here.
Yes, I'm here. As soon as I got Ophia's message, I have to come to see you. Yes, I hope you're getting better.
Yes, Dad, I'm getting better.
Okay, that's good. The doctor said it's as a result of stress, so you need some break for work.
Okay. I'll get a break.
That's good.
Where is Ophia?
Oh, I sent him to get some fruits down the street. He will soon be back.
Okay.
Okay. Easy, my son. Easy. Oh, okay, he's back.
My boss, how are you doing?
I'm getting better. I know I've stressed you these few days, but don't worry, I'll make it up to you, okay?
My boss, no reason now. My main concern is for you to be strong again. I just want to see you on your feet.
Of course, I will be fine. I'll be fine.
My son, I think I have to leave. I have meeting with the king at the West Palace.
Okay.
I will come and see you in the evening. In case I can't make it, then tomorrow I'll come and see you.
Alright, Dad. Take care of yourself.
I will. Take care of you.
Sure, sir, I will. Don't worry, sir. I will take very good care of him.
All right.
Take care, sir.
Yes, my son.
Okechi, what do you think we should do in this situation? Onowu is right. Eze Dibia is yet to say anything concerning the situation. And it is quite unlike him.
What do you think is the reason why Ezedibia is silent? Does it mean that the gods are not aware of the happenings?
I do not apportion any blame against the gods. Because Amadioha has never failed us before. He has never.
That's true. But this whole happening is worrisome.
Maybe we should pay Ezedibia a visit and find out why are the gods silent over all this.
I think we should hold on a little while. I'm sure the gods have something for us. Let us hold on a little while.
I think so.
Yes.
It's all right. That's better. Okay. It's all right.
Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, please, looking for a patient.
What's his name, ma?
Mr. Christopher Agada.
Oh, okay. Just here.
Okay, this one here?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you. Keep this one.
Thank you.
Hi, Chris.
Hey.
How are you?
Stephanie.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine. Sorry I didn't call you that day.
It's nothing, okay? That doesn't matter anymore. What matters right now is for you to stay healthy and stay strong for us.
Yeah, I will. I will get better.
Of course. I want you to be strong, back on your feet and back to work.
Yes, I will. I'll be back on my feet soon.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I hope you're taking good care of him.
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry again. You're going to get better.
Yes.
Why manaria? Ugoboma. Asampete. Why na mma? Omaricha why? Ugogwe undozo obodo jafo ụzọ.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
At least for once, Dozier is making sense. You should always put a smile on the face, Your Majesty.
I hear you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to ask, you always discussing with my husband. Meetings upon meetings. What exactly are you planning?
Planning? I don't understand what you mean by planning, Your Majesty.
That's okay. I wasn't even expecting you to admit to it. The king is waiting for you patiently in the sitting room.
Okay, Your Majesty. Let me see.
Omaricha why? Asampete why? Ugoboma.
Ah. Onowu Agada. You're welcome. Please sit down. So, Onowu.
Your Majesty.
What happened? I sent someone to your house to call you, but I was told you traveled to the city.
Oh, I had to rush to the city to see my son. Yes, and I think he's doing well now.
Yeah, so how is he faring generally?
He's very well. The doctor says as a result of stress, so he needed to rest.
Oh no. I think that boy is being overworked in his company. He needs to have a break, okay?
Your Majesty, you know he is doing that for his own good and also for his father. Yes, and for his home future as well.
You have a point, my friend. You see, that boy is a facsimile of his father, you know. So I'm not surprised that he's a go-getter. All right?
Your Majesty, you are right. You're right. You see, he's trying and he's okay now.
It's all right, but...
And that will enable me to have a chance and do other things.
Okay, but tell him to have rest.
He will.
Okay?
He will.
Yeah, you're welcome. There's cola there.
Your Highness, let's cool down. Cool down.
Hey, this boy is wicked. Since morning, that's more food. That's what he has just given me. Your own wickedness or witchcraft. Eh? How will I survive this now? Does he want me to die? Eh? Mba, I know what to do. Think of again. Yeah? Hey!
Monica.
Papa.
Why are you raising like you me? What is the problem?
Papa, it's not that Magnus. Why will he lock the kitchen? Eh? Why will he lock the kitchen? Eh?
I believe, and I am sure he believes that the reason you fight people outside is because of too much eating. Yes. When you stop fighting people outside, and until you do that, you will not eat good food in this.
No problem. Keep your kitchen. Lock it. She am the one cooking, eh? I'm no longer interested. Lock the kitchen. She am the one cooking. Lock the kitchen. Let me go and find something to eat. Lock it up. Forgive me.
Home, sweet home.
You see how this God used to fight for me? Hey! Let me go home and eat solid food. Is it bad? Monica, it's not good to leave him here. What if something bad happens to him? But brother, no now. This guy is mannerless and wicked. I don't even know the one I hate most. Is that he's too stingy or his grammar. Well, it's because you're my brother. It's because you're my brother. Ago! Magu! Stand up. I think they stand up, my friend. Toronto! Hey, stand up, huh? Where are you? Don't disgrace yourself here. I know it is you, know this. Hey, stand. Hey! If it's me now, you will not help me. Yeah?
Where are we going?
We are going to your paradise. Yeah. Well,
where?
To your paradise. Your paradise. Let's go. Don't embarrass yourself.
Look, I'm not drunk. I know what I'm doing.
I know you're not drunk. Try. God is good. All the time. Yay! Papa, you see how God usually fights for the tailless elephant. God will continue disappointing those that do not like me. He will continue disappointing those that do not like me or hate me. What a great day it is today. Hey, money, eat. You have the key to the kitchen. Eat. Eat, oh. Hey, yo.
Yeah, sure, I'll be at the office today. But you need to be there on time. You know I've not been to the office for days now. Because my father and my doctor instructed me not to go to the office for now. So I need to go and come back without them noticing I left the house. Yeah, I'll come with a cab. Ofia to keep a secret? That's impossible. Ofia is loquacious. The moment he finds out that I plan to go to the office today, he will not hesitate to call my father, who will run down breathing hard on me, and that I do not want for now. Alright, I'll be there shortly. Yeah.
Monique.
Magu.
Oh, yes. You see, I don't. Just relax. Relax yourself.
I'm relaxed.
You see, right now, I'm speaking to you in clear terms.
Okay.
In a very clean, clear terms. No controversy.
Okay.
Take it easy. Listen, you see what you did yesterday? It was commendable. I mean, it was way out of it. I didn't expect it. But, yes, if only you can keep this between us. I promise you won't have nothing, no controversy whatsoever. Believe me. And to show you that I am pleased with what you did, I made something special for you.
Okay.
See this? It's for you. Hold on. And to show you it's from my heart, I'm just going to take 1 spoon from it. Yes, you will like it.
Hey. Hi. Hi.
Come on, this is for you.
You don't know, Monica. I can keep secrets very, very well.
Really?
Yes. I don't go about looking for troubles. So. Troubles go about looking for me. And as a Wi-Fi without password, I accept all of them. You know now. But as you don't talk now, no problem.
Really?
Teammates, yeah, teammates.
Teammates?
You're not teammates.
Teammates?
Teammates.
So you're going to eat this? Yes.
You prepare this food?
Of course.
It's sweet though.
Really?
Yes.
You like it?
Is there extra? Give me extra now.
No extra for you.
Hey.
But don't worry, you will get extra.
Teammates!
Put it here. Put it here. Now, listen. You keep your mouth shut. Not even Grandpa should hear this.
Nobody. I'm a secret keeper. Secret keeper. Are you sure? Because he's not inside.
Not really. Well, he called me through his room window, and I asked him how he was doing. He said fine. Just that the medicine they gave him in the hospital is making him feel dizzy, so he wanted to rest more.
Are you sure he didn't trick you so he can go out?
Hey, Stephanie. You know, I can't remember the last time I had good food.
Really?
The way I'm going to devote this, even the food will be wondering which forest I came out from. Wow. Yes, did you put some for Ophia?
Oh yes, I did this. Let me call him to grab it.
Don't bother yourself. I'll just call him to come get his food.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.
You'll never take his calls, huh?
Nice.
This is wonderful.
You like?
I love.
Thank you.
Here, Ofia. Come inside, come get something, okay? Hurry up. Yeah, now. Wow, babe, this is wonderful. God, how did you make this?
Okay, let's just say that I'm a beauty and also a chef.
Yes, you are.
You know, I like good food. I eat real good. I don't manage the food I eat. Glad you're enjoying it.
Of course, I have to enjoy it.
Hi. Okay.
Hello.
Ofia.
Hola.
No. Wow.
Oga. My boss, no vex the way I talked to you earlier today. You know, say Dr. Tech today has just relaxed, but you still go office. My boss, I beg, forgive me. You know, say you now my helper.
Don't do that. Stand up, please.
Baba, I beg, no vex for me.
Ofia, I understand. I know you mean well for me, alright? So get up.
Helper.
Take your food, huh?
Alright, here's your food. Go and eat it before it gets cold, okay?
My boss!
The food is crazy. Go
My
enjoy.
helper! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ofia.
You two are like brothers. You two are like brothers.
Yeah, kind of.
Why is it flying? I think because of the dog.
Understand why this useless man would drop me here. Just dump me here as if. What does he expect me to do? Hello? Yeah. I don't even know where I am. He just dropped me here. Okay, let me look around. I think I'm at opposite M&S Cooking Gas. Yeah. Okay. Oh, do you want me to come or I should wait here for you? Okay, I should come around. Alright, hurry up then, okay? Please hurry up. I don't even understand this nonsense. I don't like this type of nonsense. Why would you just stop me here? Yeah? And this sun is too, like, I don't like this. Are you okay? Sorry. How dare you? Look at this dirty pig. Trying to dirty my expensive clothes. Are you okay?
Dirty waiting.
I'm talking to you.
Monica, don't do it.
You should be apologizing and you're here talking rubbish. You want to dirty me?
Magnus.
I'm talking and she's still talking. I'm talking to you. Are you mad? You're mad? Monica!
Why you cry now? Why? Who did you? Welcome. What's happened? Tell me.
It's not some stupid, useless people that attacked me on the road.
Attacked you what?
A village, wait, for this village.
Yes, no.
Ta, madam, one so. Madam, go. For you, describe them. Don't describe them first. Describe them. Describe them.
It is one fat, ugly-looking girl and the other guy that has beers on his face.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Oh, you can go and look weekend. Money. The last year, baby's night. Madam, go.
One dirty-looking thing, they messed me up.
Mess you up? Nobody. Hey. Now I'm gonna. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, Miss Young. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Miss Young. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, go one. One jeku. The last year, baby's now. You go money that. Money can't go. Eh? That's him. I'm gonna go over there. Jay. Kaga wadia.
Okay, my head.
Kaga. Go see me.
Okay, let's go.
Kaga gana. Odika.
Cheers, Dad. Cheers, son. So you want to talk to me?
Yes, Dad, I called you out here to discuss something very important.
Okay. What could that be that trouble you, my son? You know I can do anything for you, so go ahead and say it.
That I think it's high time I settle down. I found a girl, and my heart accepts her.
That's the right decision and the right step to take, my son.
Thank you, Dad.
I know a day like this will come, like I told you last time. Every parent wish to see a day like this. But you have to give me a little time for me to round up with the project I have at hand. I cannot combine two of them at the same time. So you go ahead with your marriage as soon as I'm done with the project.
Dad, what's this project you're handling that I do not know about?
Come on, my son. I will definitely let you know. You know I'm not going to hide anything from you. When the time comes, I will let you know.
All right, I will trust you on that.
Trust me on that.
Yes, I will. But you see this girl, I must marry her. I love her so much. I'm not going to marry any other girl other than her.
Your choice of marriage, I will respect, my son. But make sure you marry that lady who loves you and will care for you.
That this girl loves me so much, that I know. And I know she's going to take good care of me.
I pray so, my son.
So, when are you going back to...
See, money, you don't need to be doing all these things. You don't need to fly, you go. What the hell? Phone now. Last year. Yeah. Well. I'm up now. Phone now. Yeah, Monica.
You see that thing?
Relax.
Phone now. Monica, go on. Magu. Last year. Monica. Phone now, Monica. Go on. Okuku. Go on. Okuku. Phone now. Magu. Monica. Why you go beat my uncle?
Pikin. Monique? Can you take care of this imp?
How can I speak English? Mba, I tell you, Obula go ya bia. Man to man can tell ya.
The eta pa compa.
Mba, mula ga talk like
Beat her now. Hey. You dey mad?
Hey.
Oh, that's my girl. Come on.
I want to go now with ya. Come on.
Sister. Come on.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Young man. That's my baby girl. Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here. I told you. This is beautiful.
I say, allow me do my thing now, like
You know, I told you that diplomacy has solved a lot of things, has settled a lot of war, if you ask me. Oh yes, but you may not understand this.
Bro?
Yeah.
I don't understand what you talk. But for allowing me to beat that idiot, that stupid boy. One chilled bottle for you.
Say that again.
I swear, one chilled bottle for you.
Woo! Ahead. I'm already thirsty.
Let's go inside and change our clothes. You can't go there like this.
Really?
Bam.
Really?
Bam.
Come on, give me that again. Ahead. Baby girl.
Kai.
Home sweet home.
My head don't full now.
It is good to be back home, baby.
Leave me. Leave Monica. Make Monica do it.
Yeah.
Your Majesty.
Just look at you.
It's been a long time.
Sparkling. Look at your skin.
What about you?
Come on, money is good.
What
Please
about
sit down. Money is good, my friend. So how is the city?
Well, fine.
Family is fine.
We're okay.
Good.
Well.
What of your beautiful daughter?
Oh, my daughter, Stephanie. Oh, Stephanie, she's fine.
Oh, good.
Very, very fine. Only that she has been busy since her return to Nigeria.
Oh.
You know, our bones is not getting younger again. We are getting weaker day by day. So, Stephanie, she's the one representing the company everywhere.
Okay.
She hardly has time for herself.
Oh. You see, I've not set my eyes on her since after the mother's funeral, so I really would want to see her.
Really? It's been a long time.
Yes.
Please, forgive my bad manners there. But I'm going to tell her to make time so that you can come around and visit you.
Oh, that would be lovely.
Okay.
That would be lovely, my
No,
friend.
we must do that.
But see, I cannot comprehend why you've refused to remarry another wife. No, just hold on. I mean, at your age, you need somebody to oil those joints. You've retired, you are asking somebody to take off your company. So who will massage you?
Your Highness, don't go there. Don't let us go there. Yes. Yes, I cannot stand or endure the strain from these ladies of this generation. I have taken my faith because I want to live long.
Let me tell you, if you want to live long,
yes,
you need those things. Yes, if you lack the stamina or the capacity to do it, I will prescribe something for you. Root.
Your Highness.
I have special roots.
Yeah, root for you people here. Supplement for us in the town.
Okay, if you are having those supplements, so why are you running away from the needful?
I'm running away from their trouble.
Come on, you have the money. You have the money. My bad. Talking about root.
Yes.
I need to entertain you. I mean, my good friend cannot come here and I will not entertain you. Yes.
Root. But this place is my house as well.
Oh.
Am I a visitor here? I'm not a visitor.
It's your house.
Yes.
So I should entertain you?
Yes.
Negative.
Okay.
It is your brother that is your visitor. And you are my brother and friend, so I must entertain you. Okay?
You're right,
Hey.
Your Majesty. You're right.
Go and bring cola for my visitor here.
The root?
If you want the root,
I wouldn't mind the root anyway.
Hey. You know that my special root. Come with it. Okay?
Special root.
Put it here. This beer is very good. What's your standard? Are you enjoying yourself?
Money pass.
Money pass.
Yeah. So.
Don't try Monica.
You know, you have wowed me so much today.
Jimmy! Drink up!
Thank you. Cheers.
Monica!
Ah.
Who said this life is not sweet? Let that person die.
Die!
Yeah.
You know, when I was out there, I just knew that there is no place
Like
home.
Now they are not my level of eating and drinking.
Yeah.
Of enjoying.
I missed it.
I'm telling you. Whatever you need, I will order for you. One bottle, chill beer.
For allowing you to bounce on that imp.
Stupid boy. I'm gonna
Very
love.
stupid boy.
I'm gonna see love. What can go back home? I'm telling you,
Done wonderful. Oh my God.
I'm telling you that chilled beer. That chilled beer.
Man, you know what? The beer was so chill that I would love to go back there.
But you know I'm not drunk. You know I'm not drunk.
Grandpa.
Monica, come back.
Papa.
Grandpa.
Monica, why have you decided to bring nothing to me but disgrace? Why? Monica, why?
Papa, what did I do now? It's only the one that Monica did. That's the one you used to see.
Shut up.
You know that's what they did to Monica. Eh?
Thunder will fire your mouth for
Grandpa. Take a chill pill. Grandpa, that was too harsh. There's no need for that. You know. You see this particular matter? Teammate here, Monica, she is innocent. Yes, and I put it to you, Grandpa, if you were there and did nothing as the father or the guardian, then I would say that you have disappointed. And as a guardian of you.
Teammates!
Yeah.
Teammates!
Yeah.
God bless you.
Put it here.
Teammates!
Put it here. Put it here. But you know, Magnus only stands for the truth. Put it here. You know, we will visit that place again. Those cold beer. Let us go in. Are we going in? Is this the way?
No.
Yeah. We will visit there tomorrow. But I'm not drunk.
You're not. You're in paradise. No. Hey.
Thank you. Grandpa!
Papa! We are not drunk.
After you both presented your proposals, I found it difficult to make a choice. I had to take it up to the Board of Trustees. I believe they faced the same challenge I had. They have decided that both companies will work in collaboration to deliver a perfect contract. So all necessary documents have been sent to your mails for proper signing, and you just go through it, sign it, and the contract is yours. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Mr. Alfred.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, boss. Congratulations. Hey, babe.
What? Is that not impossible, champion?
Oh, yeah. It is. I brought her to celebrate an amazing woman. You see, in all my years of practice as a marketer, I have never lost a project to anyone. Talk more of a woman. Not just any woman, a very beautiful woman at that. Huh?
Same goes with me. You are so talented at what you do.
That's true. My boss is the best when it comes to his business. In fact, he's the #1, the champion.
Well, thank you very much, Ophir, for that compliment. And babe, remember I promised you a match if you give me a date.
Oh yes, that's even true.
That match is happening. Give me that.
Wait, hold on. Were you the one that told Mr. Alfred to give me the major?
No. That was actually your credit. You earned it.
Because I would have nailed you and Mr. Alfred if you two had played some petty tricks on me.
True? You won't know my boss like Jesus Christ.
Of course I would have. Because he is handsomely naughty.
Nope. There's nothing like that.
You are.
Oh, trust me. Absolutely nothing like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
My helper!
That was really scary.
Thank you, my helper.
Now this is to success.
Yes. It's a success. Who's that?
I don't know. I guess I was drawn to you like a magnet. Come here.
My helper!
You called for this meeting?
Ọ na-akwụkwọ na nnọkọ ka ahụ eri uke atọtuo mbiga. King Ezebube, I greet you.
Ezemo, you're welcome.
Elders of the land, I salute you.
Ezemo, you're welcome.
King Ezebube, as soon as I received your message, I have to hurry to this place.
What message are you talking about?
Ezemo will lie
to get your attention and bring you here. We know we will not come without the king's invitation. So we had to do what we did.
Yes, Ezemo. We need someone to tell us what is going on. Neither you, Ezemo, or our king has told us what is going on. I mean the preparation of the new king. Yes. Yes. This is why we summon ourselves together and called you.
Mbo, Ezemo, our tradition demands that our king step down when he is 60 years and a new king will emerge. In 3 months' time, our king will be 60 years. And up till now, there is no arrangement on ground. We are tired.
By now, we should have started the process of getting a new king. But up until now, we have done nothing about it. We are tired of being kept in the dark. Is it not true?
Why? What is the meaning of this insult, Onowu?
Your Majesty, I know nothing, absolutely nothing about this.
Your Majesty and the elders, you have done well. The gods are proud of you. Now that I am here,
you see, the ways of our gods are quite different from the ways of us mortals. The gods know what they are doing.
King Ezebube, you and Queen Gladys, you will have to surrender the crown, the symbol of your authority. But you will have to still remain in the palace to perform the duty of a king and as queen.
Well, Ezemo, whatever the gods say, we will comply.
Thank you. Now, the process now begins. King Ezebube, whatever you have to do it fast, because the gods are aware of all this.
It's executed by this home wrecker.
Will you keep quiet? How dare you? How dare you insult the Onowu of Ozobulu Kingdom in my presence?
It's okay, Your Majesty.
Huh?
It's okay, Your Majesty. She's only a woman who thinks her right is to be stolen. It's okay.
It's not okay. Does she need to express that by insulting me? I mean, should she disrespect me in public? Is that the way to express how she feels? I mean, embarrassing you in my presence is an insult to my person. No, I will not take it. I will not. Where is this woman?